Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about what types of investors typically use Vanguard Cash Plus. The Vanguard Cash Plus account is a cash management account that serves as an alternative to a traditional savings account. It's designed for investors who want to keep their short-term cash and long-term investments in one place at Vanguard. The account offers a competitive yield, FDIC insurance, and the convenience of a cash management account. So, who typically uses it? First, existing Vanguard customers. The account is a natural fit for those who already have a brokerage account with Vanguard and want to manage their savings and investments seamlessly on the same platform. Second, investors looking for a high-yield savings alternative. The account's competitive annual percentage yield, or APY, can be more attractive than what's offered by many traditional banks. It's for people who want to earn more on their idle cash without taking on the risks of the stock market. Third, investors with a short-term savings goal. This could be saving for a down payment on a house, a new car, or an emergency fund. Vanguard Cash Plus provides a secure, accessible place to hold this money, ensuring it's not subject to market volatility while still earning a return. Finally, investors who prioritize FDIC insurance. The account sweeps eligible balances into a network of program banks, where the funds are FDIC insured up to high limits, providing a strong sense of security for larger cash balances. In short, Vanguard Cash Plus is for a specific kind of investor, one who is already a Vanguard customer, values a high-yield, FDIC-insured account for their short-term savings, and wants the convenience of keeping all their finances in one place. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.